Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to recover your Gmail password easily and safely. Log into your Gmail account first. Find your profile icon at the top right of your screen. Click Manage your Google account next. Next, select Security and Sign In options. Scroll down to find the Password Manager option. Here, you can view your saved Google account if you've saved it. If you choose not to save it in your browser, your account won't appear here. To view your Google password here, log into your browser and enable the option to save passwords. Your Google account details will then be visible in this section. Your browser saves passwords through the Password Manager option. If no passwords appear, it means you haven't accepted the prompt to save passwords in your Password Manager. Make sure to enable this to store and manage your passwords securely. To see your password in your Google account, click Passwords. If you forgot it, select the option to change your password directly. You can't view saved passwords in the Password Manager, but you can update them easily from this section. Change the password to enhance your security. Now you know how to recover your Gmail password. Like and subscribe for more handy tips.